Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Indian harmonium. First, let's get acquainted with the instrument. The harmonium has several key components, including the bellows, which pump air, and the keyboard, which produces sound. Sit comfortably with the harmonium in front of you, ensuring easy access to both the bellows and the keys. Understanding how air flows through the instrument is crucial for producing a consistent and clear sound. Now, let's dive into some fundamental techniques. The key to a good harmonium sound is smooth and steady bellows pumping. Practice this motion until it feels natural. Next, we will learn the C major scale, which involves playing 8 distinct notes in sequence. Focus on pressing each key firmly and evenly. Simple finger exercises, like playing 2 or 3 notes repeatedly, will help build strength and independence in your fingers. With basic techniques under your belt, it's time to play some simple melodies. Start with very short tunes that use only 3 or 4 notes. Focus on maintaining a steady rhythm and clear timing for each note. Don't rush. Accuracy is more important than speed at this stage. Try different finger combinations for the same melody to discover what feels most comfortable and allows for the smoothest transitions between notes. Consistent practice is vital for progress. Aim for at least 15 to 20 minutes of dedicated practice every day. Listening to Indian classical music will greatly enhance your understanding of the harmonium's role and sound. This exposure helps develop your ear for melodies and ragas. For more advanced learning and personalized feedback, consider seeking guidance from an experienced harmonium teacher. Enjoy your musical journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.